These are garage door safety sensors for Genie overhead garage door openers that were sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you so that you can take a closer look at these and see if they're right for you. Let's get into it. So as you can see, these here come in just a plain brown box. When you open them up, they are wrapped in bubble wrap. You're gonna get an installation guide. You're gonna get your transmitter receiver. One's red, one's green, so you got transmit and receive there. You get 2 mounting brackets and some screws for installation. So guys, these here are made for your Genie overhead garage door openers built after 1993. I've got the same brackets already on the wall over there, so these here will fit directly onto the brackets that are already there. But if this is a new installation, or if your brackets are damaged for whatever reason, you have these here to replace those. They simply slide in there like so, and you're going to replace your wiring with the nuts included. Wires go right into there, and it's set up and ready to go. So if you need a replacement set of sensors for your Genie overhead garage door opener, these here may be something to check out. I hope this helps.